If you're planning to do an MBA, you must have probably asked yourself this question: should I do a 1-year MBA or a 2-year MBA? Most people immediately start comparing the duration, but that is the wrong question. The real question is, do you really want to pursue an MBA at all? So let's first understand the actual difference. A 2-year program is designed for the graduates and professionals who have limited work experience. It gives you time to build a strong foundation in business, explore different specializations, complete internships, and also participate in on-campus placements. But on the other hand, when we talk about the 1-year MBA program, this is for experienced professionals who already understand how businesses work and want to fast-track their careers without taking a 2-year break. So if you're a fresh graduate, then a 2-year MBA program is a better option for you. But if you're a professional who have years of work experience, then a 1-year MBA makes more sense. But here's something that very few students think about. An MBA is a significant investment. At many private business schools in India, an MBA may cost you around 15 to 20 lakhs, apart from the opportunity cost of spending 2 years away from full-time work. At the same time, more than 2 lakh of students appear for CAT exam every year in order to get admission in the top B schools of India, which means getting into a top institute is highly competitive. And if you do not get into a leading college, it is very important for you to evaluate whether a general MBA is still the best investment for your career. But here's the reality. An MBA will not guarantee you a successful career, because in today's time, the companies are hiring for skills and not just for degrees. And that's why industries are making a strong demand for professionals in specialized domains like risk management, cybersecurity, ESG, business analytics, and data science. In many cases, a specialized postgraduate program can prepare you for a specific high-demand career faster than just a general management degree. For example, if you're interested in consulting, governance, finance, compliance, and helping organizations solve business problems, then a specialized postgraduate program in risk management could be a better fit than a traditional MBA. And that's where institutes like JRMI offers an industry-focused postgraduate program which helps students build their careers in risk management with a strong practical exposure and placement opportunities. The point is not that 1-year MBA is better or 2-year MBA is better, or even an MBA is the only path to success. The point is that don't just choose a program just because everyone around you is choosing that. Because before investing 20 lakhs and 2 years of your life, the real question is not that which MBA you should do. The real question is that what career do you actually want to build?